Poflex S16 series is CREE XBD LED chips. As usual, condenser 5 mat, fit, reversible plug. The 6063 aluminum bump body accelerate heat dissipation and achieve a heat dissipation rate of 140% to ensure a long lamp life. BUTLT ion chips manages the power of 1 hour during activation to maintain optimal light output. CREE XBD LED chips 8-piece high product battery ion manages the power of 1 hour during activation to maintain optimal light output. CREE XBD LED chips 8-piece high power CREE XBD LED chips 3 and 155H79Z19 8 NGNE 5000